Welcome to YouTube channel Linga Reddy Chemistry J NEET. Carbohydrates chapter Amino acid is the present topic. The amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. The building blocks of proteins. See, in our body, every part is made by proteins only. Suppose hair is there, your nails are there. Okay, every part, here, skin, all parts are made by proteins. The proteins are the combination of many smaller units. These single unit is known as amino acids. Amino acids. So these amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Building blocks of proteins. So your nail is increasing, your hair is increasing, means of course the number of proteins are arranging in a particular order. It is making hair. Same amino acids in the particular different order is forming, that is hard substance, that is nail. You can see the differences. Amino acids are only these fixed amino acids are there. Like in English, only 26 letters are there. These 26 letters, you can see this total news, total matter is written by arranging the letters in the different order. A-M-I-N-O, this is the amino. A-C-I-D-S, this is the acid. Okay, so acid is different meaning, amino is different meaning, like that. These amino acids also arranging in the different order and making different parts of in our body. Okay, so now proteins. The proteins are the most abundant biomolecules of the living system. Chief source of proteins are milk, cheese, pulses, peanuts, fish, meat, and etc. These are the availability sources. They occur in every part of the body and form the fundamental basis of structure and functions of the life. Okay, in every part of body this protein is there. That's why in our food, protein and carbohydrates both are required. Carbohydrate functioning is it's giving energy to function your body, but protein is it's making your body. Okay, if you don't take the body protein, your body cannot growth. They are also required for growth and maintenance of body. Body maintenance, body growth के लिए protein चाहिए. Hair is increasing means the amino acids you have to take. The word protein is derived from Greek word proteos, which means a primary or a primary importance. All proteins are polymers of alpha amino acids. Okay, these are the alpha amino acids, say formation of them. Now first of all, what are the amino acids? Amino acids contain one amino group as well one acid group. Amino group and carboxylic group, functional group. Depending upon the relative position of amino group with respect to carboxylic group, the amino acids can be classified as alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and so on. See, this is the carboxylic acid. With respect to this carboxylic acid, the next carbon is alpha carbon. If NH2 group is there on the alpha carbon, this is alpha amino acid. Suppose COOH group is there, here carbons are there like this. Okay, if NH2 is second position is there, this is the beta amino acid. Beta amino acid. Because this is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon, this is the gamma carbon, this is the delta carbon. Okay, NH2 placed on third carbon, that is the gamma amino acids, like that. Only alpha amino acids are obtained. Hydrolysis of proteins, they may contain other functional group also. This is the important point here. In our body, whatever this protein is there, the protein by the hydrolysis, it is giving only alpha amino acids are giving. That's why in our body the requirement of amino acids are only alpha amino acids. Okay, beta gamma lab में बना सकते हैं, but in our body all amino acids are only alpha amino acids. Few points are there, important points. I will tell you, star marks. You have to note down. Then all alpha amino acid have a trivial names which usually reflect the property of that compound. We know that trivial name and IUPAC name. Trivial name is common name. Common name होता है based on their functioning and based on the source. They will make the trivial or common name. See here, the first one is glycine. Glycine is so named since it has sweet taste. वो sweet रहता है इसलिए वो glycine name दिया. Glycine क्यों दिया? Glycine में sweet name है ही नहीं. Sweet meaning हाँ, but this word is from Greek language. English में maximum words are taken from Greek and Latin. वो English तो है ही नहीं proper. English 50% of English is taken from Greek and Latin. Okay, so Greek language में glycose means sweet. So this glycine also sweet. That's why this name is given as glycine. Next, tyrosine. Tyrosine was first obtained from cheese. In Greek, tyros means cheese. That's why it is tyrosine. Like that, names are derived. Like acetic acid and formic acid. Formica means ant. Same acetum plant, that is acetic acid. These all common names are from source. And the names are maximum from Latin and Greek. Next, amino acids are generally represented by 3-letter symbol and sometimes 1-letter symbol. Okay, these two types of symbols are there. The structures of some commonly occurring amino acids along with their 3-letter and 1-letter symbols are given in table 14.2. We can see that. This is the general structure of amino acid. Carboxylic acid functional group is there, amine functional group is there. So this carbon maximum cases में ये chiral carbon होता है. Chiral means all 4 different groups. All 4 different groups. So except glycine. See here already hydrogen is there. R के जगह पे इधर भी hydrogen है तो that is called glycine. So glycine is optically inactive. Except glycine, remaining all are optically active compounds. This thing also you have to remember, star mark. Amino acid में except glycine, remaining all amino acids are optically active. Glycine is optically inactive due to absence of chiral carbon. Chiral carbon means all 4 different groups on same carbon, on single carbon. Okay. Next, alanine. Alanine is just in the place of R. If you keep it CH3 group, that is alanine. Okay, alanine. This alanine is optically active. You can see here COOH group, left side NH2, right side hydrogen, down CH3. This is the alanine structure. All 4 different groups are there. So optically active. So like this, all remaining compounds are optically active only. Now alanine structures you have to remember. Next classification is there. Is it neutral or acidic or basic? See, one COOH and one NH2 group is there, so it is a neutral only. Okay. If COOH groups are more, then obviously it will be acidic. If NH2 groups are more, then obviously it will be basic in nature. Next, valine. Valine may you have to remember the structures also. It is just like V shape. V shape means here CH, right side CH3, left side CH3. This group is attached to this amino acid group. So this group will be fixed. Okay? Whenever I am keeping this round means हियर एक NH2 होगा, राइट साइड हाइड्रोजन, ऊपर COOH, ये तो फिक्स्ड है. This R group only we are writing here. Okay. Then leucine structure CH3, on this carbon 2 CH3 groups are there. It is just like isobutyl. So this group is attached to this amino acid, this carbon, chiral carbon. Okay. So here one COOH is there, one is NH2 group is there, one is hydrogen is there. Okay, this is the leucine. Then isoleucine. Next isoleucine is there. The leucine and isoleucine may this group should be attached to here. Print mistake is there. CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, this is the R group. ये isoleucine. Leucine में similar है. This methyl group is here. That's only difference. This is the leucine. This is the isoleucine. Okay, just this methyl group here. Next, arginine. It is similar to, see here one urea group is there. One urea formula. Do you know that urea? This is the urea formula. So in this urea, it is reacted with ammonia. Ammonia may, you know that NH3. So just you remove the H2O. Okay, in between carbon and nitrogen, double bond is there. Yes, double bond here. Urea reaction with ammonia. So that group is here in the arginine. So number of nitrogen groups are increasing. So it is a basic in nature. The symbol is R. So capital R is there. At least if you remember the name and structure, that is enough. Okay, here 3 carbon chain is there. Okay, 3 carbon chain. Then lysine may 4 carbon chain is there, one NH2 is there. That's why it is also basic in nature. Because here already one amine and acid group is there. Okay, this is extra amine group. So resultant, it is a basic in nature. Next, glutamic acid. If you know the dicarboxylic acid names, ये थोड़ा easy हो जाएगा. 4 compounds. Glutamic acid is, first I will tell you dicarboxylic acid names. This is the oxalic acid. ये दोनों के बीच में कोई CH2 ग्रुप नहीं है, 0. This is the oxalic acid. If दोनों COOH ग्रुप के बीच में one CH2 ग्रुप is there, malic acid. Oh my, malonic acid. If 2 CH2 groups are there, दोनों के बीच में succinic acid. Then CH2 groups 3 are there, glutaric acid. Then CH2 groups 4 are there, adipic acid. These are the carboxylic acid names. See, so in common word I can write one statement here. Oh my such good apple. मतलब वो एप्पल बहुत अच्छा है, वो एक्सप्रेशन दे रहे. Oh my such good apple. Oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid. Here one more hint is there. ये oxalic acid में 0 दिखा रहे. O मतलब दोनों COOH के बीच में CH2 is 0. There is no CH2. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of CH2 groups in between carboxylic acids. Okay. So here 2 things you are learning. Carboxylic acid nomenclature as well. It will be used here. Okay. Now our compound is glutamic acid. See the glutamic acid where it is there, glutaric acid. बीच में CH2 3 are there, above COOH, below COOH, total 5 carbons are there. You can check it here. Glutamic acid में, see I am writing here, carbon will be there, here one COOH will be there, NH2 will be there, and one hydrogen. See बीच में, this is the one carbon, 2 carbons, 3 carbon. मतलब CH2 groups, 3 CH2 groups are there, that is a glutaric acid. You can see here, 3 CH2 groups are there, glutaric. So is the glutamine, इसलिए बोल रहे वो एक acid नहीं था, वो amide group is there. It is the amide group is there. That's why glutamine. COH था पहले लेकिन वो amide बन गया glutamine. Understood? Next, aspergine. Aspergine means aspergine में A तो छोड़ दो, succinic acid जैसा रहता है. Succinic acid में you can see here CH2, here one carbon will be there, तो COOH, तो NH2. Okay? Now how many carbons are there? COOH and CONH2 के बीच में 2 carbons are there. 2 carbon मतलब succinic acid. Okay? Aspergine वो अमाइड ग्रुप है, अमाइड है इसलिए वो aspergine. वो A को छोड़ के ऐसा लिंक करना पड़ेगा if you want to remember the structure. Next तो threonine में is ethyl alcohol. CH3 CH2OH जैसा. Okay? उसमें ethyl alcohol में एक हाइड्रोजन इज कम है, like it is connected with this CH group. Next serine, ये मिथाइल अल्कोहल. सिस्टीन थायोमिथाइल अल्कोहल. serine and cysteine ये दोनों मिथाइल अल्कोहल जैसा है. Here thio is there, that is why cysteine में the pronunciation is there, one S extra. So here sulfur is there. Thio means you know that thio means ऑक्सीजन की जगह पे सल्फर है तो thio. Serine and cysteine. Next methionine. Methionine में thio is already indicating, thio is there, ये ether function. Methyl and ethyl के बीच में ether. Methyl ether, that is methionine. See here, your star mark is there. The star mark means these are the essential amino acid. वो मतलब क्या है, we will discuss. Next, methionine हो गया. Next, phenylalanine. Alanine means what? In the amino acid, ये तो COOH, NH2H, ये तो इधर ग्रुप होता है. Here CH3 group is there, that is the alanine. ठीक है? ये CH3 ग्रुप को attached phenyl group is there, phenylalanine. ठीक है? phenylalanine हो गया. Next tyrosine, वो चीज में रहता है, ऑलरेडी भी डिस्कस्ड. उसमें फिनॉल रहता है, फिनॉल एक OH ग्रुप एक्स्ट्रा. ओनली फिनाइल है तो phenylalanine. The phenol is there, that is the tyrosine and phenylalanine similar structure. The OH group is at para position. ठीक है? Next tryptophan. So few structures, so you have to remember. Last 3 structures are there: tryptophan, histidine, and proline. So here one important point: this proline, the proline doesn't have primary amide. See here, nitrogen is there. This is the secondary nitrogen. Up to 19, these all groups are just substitutions. वो R position में substitutions था, लेकिन here it is not the substitution, it is a complete structure. It is the complete structure. Okay, so here there is no primary. So the first one is also important, no optically active. The last one is optically active है, no primary amide. ठीक है? Remaining structures maximum I explained how to remember. Okay, glutamine. अच्छा, बीच में 2 छोड़ दिया क्या? So see, 8th and 9th, glutamic acid and aspartic acid. Glutamic acid, you can see here one more carbon will come. Total CH2 group. बीच में 3 groups है. Carboxylic acid is there. Glutaric acid, this is the glutamic acid. Acid तो है. That's why it is comes under classification में acidic amino acids क्योंकि COOH group extra है. Aspartic acid is similar to succinic acid. तो बीच में कितना होता है CH2 groups, 2 CH2 groups, COOH के बीच में. See, if you want, I will write this aspartic acid, 1 COOH, NH2 hydrogen. This is the fixed structure. This is attached CH2 COOH. देखो डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का बीच में क्या है, 2 कार्बन्स आर देयर, उसको बोलते हैं सक्सिनिक एसिड. ओके, दिस इज द अस्पर्टिक एसिड. ये तो ये एक्स्ट्रा है, सो लिंक कर रहे मैं अस्पर्टिक एसिड. तो ग्लूटामाइन में ग्लूटामिक एसिड हो तो सेम एज इट इज, राइट. नेक्स्ट here important thing is essential amino acids. The star mark is there, those are essential amino acids. You can go through this once. Essential amino acids, all these star marked amino acids are essential amino acids. Next, classification of amino acids. These amino acids are classified as acidic, basic, neutral, depending upon the relative number of amino and carboxylic groups in their molecule. Equal number of amino acid carboxylic groups are there, those are neutral. If any amino group is more than basic, carboxylic group is more than acidic. The amino acid which can be synthesized in the body are known as non-essential amino acid. This is the important non-essential amino acid. On the other hand, those which cannot be synthesized in the body and must be obtained through diet are known as essential amino acid. Essential amino acid मतलब बाहर से लेना पड़ेगा. Okay, we had to take, बाहर से लेना पड़ेगा. These are essential amino acid. So within our body, if it is preparing, ये body में prepare करे तो वो बाहर से लेने का जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, those are non-essential amino acid. बाहर से लेने का जरूरत नहीं है, वो खुद हमारा स्टमक में, हमारा बॉडी में वो प्रिपेयर हो सकता है. Those are non-essential amino acid. So you can see here the essential amino acid mnemonics is VIP hall में टेबल टेनिस खेल रहे. So what is VIP? VIP valine, isoleucine, phenyl alanine, hall, histidine, arginine, leucine, lysine. Histidine, arginine, leucine, lysine. Hall में methionine, table tennis, one T and T only, this T and T. Tryptophan and threonine. Total physical properties. Some physical properties we are going to discuss now. Amino acids are usually colorless, crystalline solids. These are water soluble, high melting solids and behave like salts rather than simple amines. Carboxylic acid. इसमें तो we know that carboxylic acid functional group is there and amine functional group is there, but these are neither acting as carboxylic acid nor acting as amines. These are acting as salts. These are acting as salts. Why these are acting as salts? Because here acid and base is there. This acid and base is making a salt. This zwitter ion formation होता है. So it is taking one H plus, it is donating H plus, it is releasing H plus. This H plus is taken by this NH2 group. So this compound is forming like this: NH3 plus COO minus. Okay, one hydrogen and R group, whatever. So one carboxylate anion is there. And cation is there here, ammonium cation is there. So you can see here, that's why it is acting as a salt, the neutral and salt. The behavior is due to the presence of both acidic and basic groups in the same molecule. in aqueous solution, the carboxylic group can lose a proton and amino group can accept a proton. Okay, giving rise to a dipolar ion known as Zwitter ion. This name is called Zwitter ion. Zwitter ion. Okay, within the same molecule, positive and negative, both particles are there. This is the neutral, but contains both positive and negative charges. Okay, in Zwitter ionic form, amino acids show amphoteric behavior. Amphoteric matlab it may react with acid as well. It is react with base. Okay, that is called amphoteric behavior. It is act as acid and base. They react both with acid and bases. Now, except glycine, all other neutrally occurring alpha amino acids are optically active. This point already we discussed starting. Since the alpha carbon atom is asymmetric, वो reason बोल रहे वो asymmetric है मतलब chiral carbon नहीं है. These exist both in D and L forms. Amino acids, you saw the structure. NH2 left side है, COOH up, hydrogen here, R group is here. This more electronegative atom left side is there, that's why it is L. In the carbohydrates we discussed more electronegative atom OH group. In the last chiral carbon mein right side is there, that's why we written there D. D glucose, D fructose. Okay, here L side, left side is there L. Okay, L and D both are available, but in our body whatever proteins are there, if you hydrolysis that protein, we are getting only alpha amino and only L amino acids are there. Natural, all natural amino acids are L amino acids. Okay, availability है तो D and L are there, but most natural occurring amino acids have L configuration. L amino acids are represented by writing NH2 group on left hand side. इधर लिखा ना. Okay, this is the amino acid is over. Thank you. In the next class we will discuss about proteins and protein structure. Bye.